Hello everyone, Akash here. This is all new 100% pure castor oil, and this is probably by far the cheapest castor oil I found in the market. This one not only 100% pure organic, this is also really cheap. This is like around $7. All you need to know about the castor oil, what would be the best way to use it, and how this could help you fast hair growth. And people always ask me they're in a really tight budget and they don't want to spend so much money on a hair oil. So, this is probably the cheapest one I found. And if this works for you, they find in my channel Moroccan oil, red onion oil, satua oil. Those are very expensive oils. So use this one. If it works for you, then you don't need to spend more money. First time in my channel, you could go in my channel playlist called all hair growth products. You're going to find many great videos, mostly natural product that really could help you. Step by step is going to really help you how to help regrow your hair and stop hair fall. I have my email address link in description box. If you personally need help one-on-one, you could always email me. I'll try to help you out best of my knowledge. Once you're there, you could check out my new channel called Money Saving Tips. If you love saving money, you're gonna love that channel. So check that out too. This is 100% pure castor oil. There is no side effect or nothing in it. What would be the best way to use it? If you look at the bottle is really small, so you might want it to get 2 bottles. Again, it's cheap. So this bottle, depending on your hair situation, it could last you probably 3 weeks, 1 bottle, or maybe 4 weeks. So, depending on how much you're using. I don't want you to use too much. Just when you open this bottle, you see this? So you don't take too much drop. Just take few drop. Maybe just take 2 or 1 drop. And you put it exactly where you see your hair is thinning out. Exactly. You just drop one drop, and then you gently massage it. So you don't want to put it all over. You exactly put it where you're thinning out. If you're thinning out in the back, you put it in the back. If you're thinning out in the back side, that's what I use it in the side. I'm trying to, I try to use it on the side. Hopefully I grow some on the side. That would be helpful. So you just put it exactly where you're thinning out. Again, you don't have to worry about any side effect. This is 100% pure organic. And also, people always ask me in my channel, they're in really tight budget and they cannot afford the Moroccan oil. Moroccan oil, it really helps you regrow your hair, but those like really expensive product. So tight budget, start with this. And if this works for you, then you don't need anything else. So use it every day, once every morning. It doesn't matter. It's not going to feel greasy or anything. You could just put a little bit where you need it, gently massage it, and you could go to work. It doesn't smell bad or anything that you have to worry about going out to work or going out. You could just put it anytime. You want to put it in the morning, you want to use it in the afternoon, it doesn't matter. You just put very little because it's a small bottle. Don't use too much. Use this for a month, okay? See how it goes. If this works for you, then definitely you don't need anything else. Sometimes people blame on products that, oh, I used this, it didn't work for me. I used that, it didn't work for you. You make sure your diet is right. Few things is very important if you really wanted to regrow your hair. Make sure you're eating on time. You do some kind of workout. Make sure you have enough blood flow on your skull. Also, don't use hot water when you're taking shower. Most often, people don't even realize they're using chemical gels or chemical shampoo. They don't even realize. So using something organic, 100% pure, then you're going to go and use chemical gel and you're going to use a chemical shampoo. That's not going to help. So you have to work on every little thing together to make your hair thicker and fuller. Using one organic oil, and that's gonna solve all your issues, all those things before you start with this. If you think your hair not getting enough nutrition and everything, you could get a hair supplement. This is very cheap, biotin. I said it in my many videos. Just start with this for a beginner, and this way biotin is really good for hair. And just take 1 a day in the morning or afternoon. If your hair improved, then definitely continue using it. Don't stop, completely don't stop it. You have the link in description box and you could just order it. You could get it in a few days, probably 4 or 5 days. If you're in the USA, you could get it really fast. So hope this video was helpful to you, and don't forget to check out my new channel called Money Saving Tips.